construction. This name don't need an introduction. It says here, you know her from Babes in Arms and Babes on Broadway. In case you forgot, this little tot played in Babes at Vassar, Babes at Yale, Babes in Jungles, Babes in Jail, Babes in Bali, Babes in Nome, and Babes in an old lady's home with Mickey Rooney. Born in Minnesota, moved out to sunny California. Got her PhD at dear old MGM. But we stole long enough, so without further ado, we introduce the Lollapalooza, Judy!
It's lovely seeing you, but the first thing I must do is give an interview to the press to tell them of the struggling, of the long and ceaseless juggling. Every time I get into this dress, call the Mirror, call the news. You can say I've still got 90 pounds to lose. Call the World Telegraph and say I'm feeling mighty fine as I am. Call the Journal, call the Post. You can tell them that I like New York the most. Call the Tribune and the Times. Say I'm saving all my dimes. Got no time for wedding chimes to ring. 'Cause all I wanna do now is sing and sing.
We're going on the town. We're riding on a rocket. We're gonna really suck it. Because tonight's the night.
Hey, tonight's the night.
We're going on a toot. We're gonna raise a riot. The Brooklyn Bridge will buy it. And in the heights tonight,
Get high as kites tonight. East side, west side, round the city.
Broadway, Times Square, 42nd.
Night lights, bright lights, you're so pretty.
The city's pretty tonight, so let the curtain raise. We're gonna chase away every frown.
Need a hall tonight.
We need a hall.
We'll give our all tonight.
We're going on, we're going on, we're going on, we're going on, we're going on.
We're going on the town. Son, huh? What's that? What?
Boy, is it humid tonight down here.
What is it? Is it humid? Is it? It's just plain old hot up here. It is. I think I got too old to do that number during this engagement. But we're not going to go into that because it's we're just going to have fun tonight and have. This is a very particularly wonderful night for me. Now then, what are we going to do? Palace? Yeah, let's do that. Here we go.